Hey guys, I'm super excited for today's video because we're doing a little bit of a beauty room rearrange sesh slash opening my brand new Vanity collections dresser. I'm so excited. It's so freaking beautiful. I cannot even deal. So in today's video, it's pretty much just going to be like a time lapse of me zhuzhing everything, rearranging everything, setting the new Vanity up. Little Bretty, the fiance, pops in and helps me as well. We see lots of the puppies running around too. So I hope you guys are excited for today's video. I'm very excited to be posting it. I've actually already edited like all the other footage, so I can't wait to get it up for you. And I actually just got a message from Vanity Collections too to say that they're going to be giving me a discount code. So I'll pop it on the screen here so you can use that at checkout. I've never had a Vanity Collections discount code before, so I'm pretty freaking excited because you guys always ask if I have one. So now I do. So if you guys would like to see the zhuzhing process, the beauty room and the Vanity and all the goods, you just keep on watching and we'll get straight on into it. What is in my eye? Probably dog hair. Probably from you. So Shaz told me to get the fiance to do this next part because I'll end up with another broken nail otherwise, she said. So honey, I need your muscles to get these drawers out so we can then put the legs on. So we've got one drawer out, Brett's just doing the other drawer, and Lily has her burger. Shake it. Got one leg on, and Brett's just doing the other leg now. One thing I noticed is it's so much whiter compared to like the IKEA furniture. Like it's a really bright white, whilst the IKEA furniture is kind of like creamy in comparison, which is nice. It's nice that it's super glossy as well. It's heavy, isn't it? It's like really solid. Like it's not cheapo furniture, that's for sure. Oh gosh, it's so pretty. Now we're gonna put the, I'm gonna put it on that wall, but gotta put drawers in it. Will I be able to slide it myself with drawers in it? Yeah, I will be. It's heavy, but it's okay. Gotta put the drawers in now.
Lily?
Really? I thought it would have. I don't know where it's going outside. Hey guys, it is the next day and I'm back ready to finish what I started. I have my new Vanity Collections dresser all built. It's so beautiful. This is like, it is so like solid. It is not like cheapo flat pack furniture. This feels like a $2,000 dresser. Like, it is absolutely gorgeous. It is super heavy. It's really sturdy. So I'm very excited to get it all set up, and I'm kind of like the idea of having my mirror on it instead of on my little IKEA stuff, because it's so much more sturdy that I'm not going to run the risk of like my mirror falling and smashing, because I don't actually have it attached to its base. It's just sat on my dresser and it's not anchored to the wall. So but yeah, that's because I changed my room around so much, so I don't really want to anchor it to the wall. But anywho, let's stop chatting, let's put the tunes on, let's get stuck into rearranging this room, Mimi. And Lily, are you so excited? I'm so excited! I'm so excited! I'm so excited! Cute girls.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Watch me.
here we have it. The room is all reorganized. That took a lot longer than what I was expecting, but here is a new vanity. Gosh, she's so pretty. As you guys can see, it is so much wider than the IKEA furniture. And actually, the IKEA furniture looks so dirty actually now that I got this new vanity. But it's absolutely beautiful. I might have to turn that brightness down a little bit. There we go. So I've got it set up like that. Oh, it feels so much more open and clean now. So when I'm just like getting ready or doing my skincare and like it's not on camera, I actually prefer to sit in front of my light up mirror. So this is going to be for like everyday use and when I'm getting glam and not actually recording it. Then over here I just have set up my little Alex drawers still in like a desk formation, just with my additional acrylic organizers. All of these organizers as well are also from Vanity Collections. Literally all of them are from Vanity Collections, just so you guys know. So I've got that little corner there. Then we've got a little corner for my backdrops to stand up in, and also I've got my ring light there pushed to the side. I have my backdrop stand and also my filming table. I've got all my lights packed away. Still, I've got to bring them in this room as well. All right, you guys, you've made it to the very end of the video. And if you're watching right now, you are literally my MVPs, my number ones. For those who don't know, MVPs mean most valuable player. And if you make it to the very end of the video, you should definitely comment below that you're an MVP. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And I'll be chatting to you guys in the comments section and in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.